Hey guys, I'm Matt, the South Coast Coug. Here's a little how-to video guide on using Surfpaints pens.
Before we start, I highly recommend getting a starter kit. It has everything you need for the prep work. Use the surfboard wax comb to strip the old wax off. Use the steel wool for a cleaner finish. Next, give your board a light rub with the sanding block. That whole process took me less than half an hour, so don't stress, there's not too much work involved. Now the fun part, get creative. I chose Where's Wally because it's my daughter's favourite book. But if you're stuck for inspiration, the starter kit helps you map out and plan out your designs. I actually had so much fun doing this. With the weather being as bad as it is, it gave me something to do. Plus, I now get my froth back on for an old board that I had. The last step, apply a varnish spray to seal the artwork. And now you're done.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Use the promo code COUG at checkout on Surfpaints website to get 10% off your order today. Or if you have any questions, reach out to me, I'll be more than happy to help.